Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, our lesson Unit 6 Air is going on. So let's start today's lesson. Okay dear students, open your science book, page 43, and let's start reading. Moving air is called wind. Yes, students, we have learned about the air that we cannot see air. We can just feel the air when it is moving. So, moving air is called wind. Yes, what do we call moving air? Wind, yes, and wind helps things to move. And what does the wind help? Wind helps things to move. When the wind is blowing, things move. Like you can see in the picture, the leaves of the trees are moving and there is so much fast wind, okay, and when the wind is so much strong and fast, it is called storm. So strong wind is called storm. When the air is moving, it is called wind. And when the wind is so much fast and strong, it is called storm. As you can see, children, in the picture, there is storm in the sea. You can see the water is so much fast and it is moving fast and it is jumping upwards. You can see that water. Yes, this is called storm in the sea. Okay. So dear students, in this lesson you have learnt about air. You have learnt when the air is moving, it is called wind, and when the wind is so much fast, it is called storm. Yes. Okay, now open your page, science book, page 44, and here you have to do some exercises. Question number 1 on page 44 is tick under yes or no. So what you have to do is you have to read each sentence, understand the meaning of the sentence and just put a tick under yes or no. If the sentence is correct, you have to mark tick under yes in front of that sentence, and if the sentence is not correct, it is wrong, what you have to do is you have to mark in front of that sentence. You can see 2 columns are there, yes or no. So if the sentence is wrong, you have to tick in no column just in front of that sentence. Okay. Now we will start doing our work, then you will understand more about it, how we have to do it. Okay, so I am going to read first sentence. You have to listen to it and then you have to tell me that is it yes or no. Air is around us. Is it yes or no? Yes, it is yes. It is correct. So we have to tick in yes column in front of first sentence. Second sentence is we cannot see air. Yes, it is correct. So we will tick in yes column. Third sentence is we cannot feel air. No, it is not correct. We can feel air. So it is no. Put a tick in no column in front of third sentence. As you can see, I have put it. Fourth sentence is when the air is warm, we feel cold. what could be happen? When the air is warm, we will feel hot, obviously. So it is wrong. You have to put a tick in column no. Yes, in front of that sentence, you have to tick no. Drops of water in air make clouds. Yes, we have read in detail about the water cycle, that how drops of water in the air make clouds. So it is yes. Okay, dear students, I hope you have done this. Now let's go towards the next question. So dear students, now on the same page, your science book, page 44, you can see question number 2, and that is match the item of list A to list B. You can see there are 2 columns, A and B, on your book. What you have to do is, you have to match the columns. You can draw a line to match the columns, or you can do like I have done, that you can make a third column C, and then you have to write the answers in column C. Okay, so I'm telling you, I'm first reading the sentence, and then you will tell me from column B what is the correct sentence that we have to, part of the sentence that we have to match with column A. Okay, first is, I'm reading first A column and then I will read B. First sentence is all living things. What all living things? In B, you have to find the answer or the other part of this sentence. All living things what? Yes, need air. So in column B, there is written on the third place, it is written need air. So you have to draw a line to match with need air. Or the second way to do this match the column is, you can write here A, because it is the answer of A. So you have to write need air in front of need air A. B. B is birds and aeroplanes. What birds and aeroplanes? Birds and aeroplanes, yes, fly in the air. Birds and aeroplanes fly in the air is the answer, or the other part, half part of this B. Okay, so you have to write the answer of B here in front of that, fly in the air. Okay, C, we put air in. Okay, what does we put air in? In balloons and tires. So it is the answer of C. So write in front of it C, or you can draw a line to match it. D, air helps things. What air helps things to burn? Yes, to burn is the other part of this sentence D. Okay, so you have to write here D, or you can match it with the line. E, moving air is called. What is moving air called? Wind. Yes. So the answer of E, or the second part of E, is wind. Okay, so you have to write E in front of that wind. F, strong wind is called. What is strong wind called? Yes, a storm. I have shown you there was a storm in the sea. Okay, so strong wind is called a storm. In front of that storm, you have to write F, because it is sentence F. Okay, you have to see these alphabets. Whatever this alphabets is, you have to write in front of it the correct sentence, and it is the part of A, need air. It is the part of fly in the air. So you have to write B here. Balloons and tires is the part of C. So you have to write C here. In the same way, to burn is the answer of D. So you have to write D. And E is wind. So the sentence E, the answer is wind. So you have to write a E here. F's answer is strong wind is called storm. So you have to write in front of that storm, you have to write F. I hope you have done, students, and please do it. If you find it easy to do like this, you can do like this, or if you want to do like, you can match with the lines, but lines should be very clearly seen that which line goes towards which sentence. Okay, students, we have done today's lesson, finished, and that's it for today. Allah Hafiz and take care.